to talk about my solidwork project called Project Zephyr. Okay, now you might be wondering why we decided to name our drone Zephyr. Well, actually, Zephyr is the name given to the god of wind in Greek mythology. Because just like the winds, our drone is designed to be sleek and swift, as well as being durable enough to withstand harsh conditions. Now, let's talk about what inspired us to design our project. Well, the main idea was from the helicopter in the film Avatar 2009. This design is mainly to appeal and attract young children and the fans from the films. We designed it to satisfy the fantasies of the fan as well as ourselves to immerse themselves with the drone as if they are reliving the movie in real life. Oh, now I'm going to pass it to my teammate.
Hello everyone, I'm Haris' teammate Farna Arshad Azha, and I'm going to tell you all about the parts that makes up our drone. So the drone in total consists of a total of 10 parts, which is the head, the body, the landing skids, the tail rollers, the tail part 1, tail part 2, the outer rim of the wings, and the wing connector, the wing fans, and finally the connector between the fans and the outer rim. Okay. So now that I mentioned all the parts, I'm going to show you all the techniques used when we were making all the parts. First of all, we're gonna start with a technique where we used a plane to loft the base. We sketch an ellipse in the right plane first. Okay. Next, we select all the points on the ellipse and make sure that it's all in horizontal. After that, we select the reference geometry and we create a new plane where we decide the length. Now we're going to put a point in the center of the plane and we're going to loft the shape to create this shape here and change the start constraint to normal to profile, and we're finished. Okay, next is the twisting technique. Basically you just start off with searching up flex the search bar and selecting twisting. Change the degree to whatever degree you need and decide on the length of the trim plane. I went with 10 millimeters. Okay, after you finish all that, you just press enter or click on this. Next up is the extruded base and the extrude cut technique. Sketch on whichever plane. I sketched the circle here, and after that just click on the extruded base or boss and decide on the diameter or the thickness of the base. Finally, after that we just go for the extruded cut. That's some of the technique used while making all the parts of the drone. Upcoming next is my friend Adam Mukris, who will explain how we assembled the drone.
Right, so we are going to start with two parts, that is head and the body. So we're going to make these two. As you can see, I'm going to actually fast forward a lot of things. So the next part is actually we need to build the wings. So they have four parts, the fans, the wings, and the body, and the dome, I think. So we are going to make into the body, and actually you need to copy two. So we're going to one side and one side. So let's see. Right, done. And for the third part, there's the third part, and we are going to use the tail and another tail and this sort of fans, little fans. So you can see I'm going fast forward. I have a problem doing this because it's very difficult to meet, and yeah. And for the last part is for the leg. For the legs, you can see I already copy two legs. So you can see I'm going to fast forward again, and yeah, for that again. Yes, that's all. That's all for me.
My love is my